So I'm going to use the pieces of information given to me in the problem to create two equations. I know it was two because they said a certain number of tickets are $10, and then they don't mention much about in another certain number. I just knew the focus was on this 10N, the price times the quantity, plus in this case, I just came up with a second variable. I called mine X. $8 times X. If I were to combine these two values, I should have $922. But they want to know how many tickets I sold that were worth $10. So I need a second equation to do this. I cannot combine 10N and 8X. I can't use 80XN. That's not going to work. So that tells me I need to say N plus X with the other information that they give me. However many tickets that are N and how many tickets that are X together will be 105 tickets altogether. That is why they're giving you the information in the first place. You will use a system of equations is what it's called. I call it variable sentences, and we started these this week, and I think like your first week. In any case, I want to solve for this N in terms of X. I think I'm doing it again. I think I'm going to remove, the N. That way we end up knowing N in one shot instead of looking for X and then subtracting in the end. Minus N minus N. So this X is equal to 105 minus N. Because I took it away from this side, I'm taking N away from the right side. So what I have, let's plug this, try it right. Let's plug this value in for X up here. And I will have all N's.
What's the roof of the car?
I don't know where the roof of the car is, baby. 8 times 105 minus N. Because we found that X, or this number here, is the same as 105 tickets minus N tickets. That will leave us with X. Sorry. So I just plugged this value in here. This stayed the same. So it has to equal 922. Let's make sure I do 10 times 105 correctly because, wow, wake up. 8 times 105 and 8 times N correctly. Gotta multiply, gotta distribute it. 105 times 8, 40. 840 is that amount that I need to use for when we distribute. Let's rewrite the entire sentence now after we've performed our math operations. 10N plus 8 times 105, that's a positive and a positive. So plus 8 plus 1, 810N. 8 plus 810 minus 8 times that, 8N equals 922. Almost there. We will have our N shortly. Combine like terms. A positive 10 and a negative 8 tells me I have to subtract. And I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger number. 2N plus 810 equals 922. Subtract that 810. Subtract that 810. I'll be left with 2N equals 112. Divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 into 112. It looks like 56. I did it in my head. I don't think you need me to do it, but we can. I terminated there. So N is 56 tickets, and I'm so thankful that I did not, at this step, solve for one in terms of the other and have it with an X, because then I would have one more step to do. But I set this up just to solve for n. That's your answer.